Right, Charlie-Tuna Bristol Cat here. Them humans been up to it again. Surcalerr Sawl out, making a noise, DIY project or summut. I've tried to help 'em. I sits and watches 'em so they knows they's not alone. Also, when they's up the ladder, I holds it at the bottom. Well, when I say I holds it, I means I rubs up against it and purrs to let 'em know I'm helping. But if they don't get down from the ladder and give me a treat straight away, well, I escorts 'em from the back garden, through the house, and I gets 'em to let me out the front door. Bit later on, after I've caught up with me one mate in a public place and keeping me 2 metres apart, I goes to help the humans again. Only this time, I'm a bit more vocal about it, and usually I gets a treat then. It's good to help each other, innit? Who's you helping? Stay safe, stay alert everybody, and look after yourself, me babbers. Laters!